News and views from the best voices in our game. Subscribe to the Cricket News YouTube channel and press the bell icon for unparalleled cricket coverage.
So here we are at the end of 2021, and if it has to be that one moment from the year, one cricketing moment that I have to pick, it has to be Brisbane, and I'm sure millions of other Indians would also echo the same. And there are multiple reasons for it. I mean, A, of course, the cricketing reasons. B, as an Indian fan, what it meant to me. And C, for some real personal ones. First and foremost, let's go back to Tim Paine's comments in Sydney when he told Ashwin, "See you at Kaba." That comment really aged well. And what is an Australia rivalry, a Test series without these ledges and these intense moments. And honestly, I mean, I understand from where Mr. Payne drew his confidence from. The last time Australia had lost a test at that venue, I mean, there were still two Germanys. Sachin Tendulkar had not made his international debut. There's someone who went on to play for 24 years, and India's Brisbane win came 8 years after his retirement. In fact, most of the players who featured in this mm, in the test earlier this year, weren't even born, and most of them weren't even planned probably. So the kind of fight that India showed, I'm still short of words. And uh, um, when I visualize it, and see the highlights, or I think about it, it still gives me goosebumps. And uh, I mean, we all the time we talk about Adelaide 2003, and then Perth 2008. Those were different times. I mean, those victories were indeed very special. But to me, the bowling attack that India played this time was probably one of the best bowling attacks that they have faced in the recent times, and at least one of the best bowling attacks that I have watched. Probably the one that India played in the Cape Town Test in 2018, when uh, Steyn, Philander, Morkel, and Rabada, all four of them played, was a bit better. But yeah, but then again, you have to also think about the Indian lineup. I mean, we all keep talking about it was an India B side, with no Virat Kohli, no Ashwin, lot of the top players missing from the lineup, and to go there, go out, and win a test at that venue against that attack, and this was unbelievable. Um, the fight that we showed in Sydney, it made me very emotional. And I mean, with all that happened, the 36 all out in Adelaide, and then we won the test in Melbourne. But I think the Sydney, told me that this side, they don't want to lose. They don't want to lose. This is a side that believes that they can win anything, and what may come in front of them. I mean, so Sydney was very special, but I did sense this was coming in Brisbane. Uh, and it was further more special to me, having seen and covered Shardul Thakur graduate in different ranks in Mumbai circuit. I always knew he could bat. I remember those six sixes in an over that he achieved in school cricket, a few months before Gibbs and Yuvraj went on to achieve in international cricket. Then I've always rated Washington Sundar very highly. Gill's talent was never a question. By the time that the team traveled to Brisbane, Siraj had won all of us. I mean, we all knew we were looking at a special kid. Uh, but personally, for me, the most pleasing was Rishabh Pant's application. I've always engaged in several social media wars since 2016, advocating for him. I've been one of his first fans. I remember Abhishek Da being another. Uh, When Pant was planning his innings, I was also planning the chase in my head, and I also sh- kept sharing my thoughts with a group of close friends, and I kept on telling them that it should come down to 100 runs of the last um, 10 overs or last 20 overs or so. Yes, one of the screenshots of my conversation with them, and that is exactly what went on to happen. And uh, so on day two, I had some issues with my television and watched the Washington Shardul partnership on my mobile. Something told me that if I watch the day five on my phone, India will pull it off. They eventually did, and I mean, I watched the match on my mobile, and I sensed something special is on the cards, and I also had a 4 hour recording of myself, and really glad India pulled it off. I wasn't born in 83 or 85 to witness those moments that Kapil Dev and Mr. Gavaskar's team went on to achieve. Probably after the 2001 series, this was the greatest Indian cricket moment for me. Uh, and in terms of rating the wins that I have watched, uh, Brisbane 2021 has to top the list.